Ion mobility mass spectrometry, or IMMS, identify the various product ions from the pH-dependent redox and metal binding reaction of peptides. With the molecular modeling of their tertiary structure, metal coordination can be determined.
IMMS can resolve each of the product ions and identify their molecular composition by simultaneously measuring their mass to charge and arrival times and relating to their stoichiometry, protonation state, and conformational structure.
Developing classes of metal chelating peptides will help lead to therapeutics for diseases associated with metal-ion misbalance, such as Menkes and Wilson's disease, cancers, and Alzheimer's disease.
To begin, clean the ESI entrance tubing and needle capillary thoroughly with about 500 microliters of 0.1 molar glacial acetic acid, 0.1 molar ammonium hydroxide, and finally, deionized water. Use native ESI IMMS conditions as described in the text protocol to collect the negative and positive ion IMMS spectra of the 10 ppm poly-D-L-alanine solution for 10 minutes each. Pipette 200.0 microliters of the 0.125 millimolar alternative methanobactin, or AMP solution, into a 1.7 milliliter vial. Dilute with 500 microliters of deionized water, and mix the solution thoroughly. Adjust the pH of the sample to 3.0 by adding 50 microliters of 1.0 molar acetic acid solution.